tutorial for the filler plate component. This component allows the filler plate to be added to the upper or lower shaft of the splice plate connection. It can be used on multiple members simultaneously as long as the columns are the lower shaft of the splice plate and have the same section sizes. To use the component, we go to the Component Add window and we search for the JITECH filler plate. Okay. Select. The important thing to know is that the component will add both a near side and a far side filler plate that will copy the matchable holes on their respective plates. So for example, if you want to add a component to the lower shaft, the erection pin holes aren't set to matchable by default. It will copy all the holes but the erection pin unless the pin is set to matchable prior to running the component. In this case, I already set one of the plate erection pin holes to matchable. On the UI, you'll have control over the plate dimensions, but the dimensions will be autofilled based on the first column selected. The other relevant input is the attached to upper shaft checkbox, which if left unchecked will add the plate to the lower shaft. And the fill gap. By default, it will be 0, but this represents the space between the web of the column and the filler plate in the face of the filler plate. Okay. So once we run that, you wait for it to process, and the filler plates, as you can see, are added based on the dimensions added. And if we look, only this erection pinhole has been copied over, and that's because only this erection pinhole is set to matchable. The other one is not. And all the other holes have also been copied as well. This is a component. It is meaning that it is a dependent plugin, and while it can be edited, it is limited to the information available on its host member, so you should plan your work accordingly. Please remember that plugins are there to make the user's life easier, but it's still the user's responsibility to review the results for accuracy. Hope this helps your day go smoother. Good luck.